So your friend thinks you have small hands and they sent you this video. Okay, or you found it yourself. I'm going to show you 3 tips for using a big iPhone with small hands. And the first one is this one-handed keyboard, which makes typing really easy. Yes, of course you could be swiping to type, but I'm going to show you how to set up this keyboard regardless. All you're going to do is hit the globe icon, hold down for about 2 seconds, and then you can set it for right-handed or left-handed typing. To bring it back to normal, you just hit in the middle and you are all set there. Of course, this also works when you're on the emoji screen and works in numbers as well. Now the next thing, let's say you're at the home screen and you have a ring or pop socket on your phone like I do. It is sometimes really hard to reach for the control center. Up here, it's quite a stretch for me, as you guys can see. And to make it easier, we're just gonna swipe down on the 4 icons in the home screen. And then we have reachability and we can reach there. If we want notifications, we could do the same thing. Or if we wanted my camera, we can just tap camera. So reachability is the second one. And the final one I want to show you is the secret camera menu. And for this, you can see we have live photo control here. I can't even reach the flash button, but actually I can, because if you slide right there, you'll get a secret menu. You can turn your flash on and off. You can do live photos on and off. You can change what resolution you want your scale to be. And you can also do these live filters in your photos, all one-handed. Boom, there's our shot with flash. And those are the tips for using an iPhone with smaller hands. I hope you enjoyed this. Send this to your friends with small hands, or the iPhone Pro Max, or the Pluses. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.